Good afternoon, friends. As I shown you yesterday, in rain, particularly windshield is the visible of matter, and when you are driving, it should be this kind of cleanliness. Only wipers cannot clean exactly 100% for your drives. You can see properly here, friends. This area is cleaned with wiper, and this uncovered area which you can see here, it was cleaned with some kind of premium chemical, or I use Jopaso's anti-drip material. This is a particular glass cleaner with extra cleaning agents. It makes your vision clear. As here shown, it makes your vision clear. In one sentence, this product is very useful and very good because it cleans in a while very perfectly, and when water drips here, you can see the water where it's going from the border. You can't see in every glass. Like when you clean with wiper, the water is not getting inside the border because the area was cleaned with anti-drip glass cleaner. So when you spray it on your windshield, it cleans very clearly, and water drops are getting only drip by drip. They are not falling to else. Here you can see water is dripping to else. As you see for rear glass, I will show you. See, I didn't had any rear wiper blade, though you can view clearly what is coming on your backside. This is why I said that you have to clean with. I use Jopaso's anti-drip glass cleaner. You can use any kind of this thing. You just need to spray on the glass. Just wait for 1 minute. In rainy season, you do not have to wipe with any cloth or nothing else. You just spray it on the glass. When you are on the journey, you can go off. Yeah, here you can see. See, water is dripping off. Water is not standing by there. So here you can see clearly the difference between the sprayed on area and unsprayed area.